Alright, now I'll show you the outside. If you come out into the garage, which is Buddy's Playhouse, and you come out this door that we had to hole up so we couldn't get out. Our recycling is on the back porch right now because there's so much of it that I have to drive it somewhere. And I mopped the floors today, so those are out here drying. But we have a cute little flower garden by our back porch that needs a table since we sold our other one. And then some more flower space to the right here. And then there's these like irrigation spouts on every corner of the yard so we can water our grass every day to keep it alive. Lily loves the backyard. So we have this tool shed, which I'm pretty convinced someone could live in it, except for it needs major remodeling, but it's pretty ginormous. And then more flowers, big bush, my clothesline, super fancy. And another irrigation thing. This is a raspberry bush, and I'm pretty sure it's red raspberries, but I'm not sure. And then I need to do something back here. I like completely tore up the front because I couldn't take it any longer, but it's super, super cute. So that's the backyard. And then we have these trees all along the side. This is the only side of the house. The other side is fenced off. So if we wanted to block Lily in, we just need to put fence here, which wouldn't be bad. I think we're going to get like cattle fence or something. TJ's home. How was your day at work?
It was okay.
I was telling everyone how much you love IKEA on our videos.
Oh, yeah.
Favorite place, right?
The store's not bad. It's putting everything together.
Putting everything together. He spent probably like 10 hours putting everything together.
That was in between helping you, calling my mom, everything else.
Yeah.
It was just a long day period.
Long day, he says. So this is the front flower bed that just kind of went crazy. And Lily likes to put her smushy face right here. I don't think so. And I ripped some of this up, but it needs mulch pretty badly. And then eventually we'll park the cars inside. But this is the front, and that's it. Later, taters.